Hi guys, it's me Haley Marie and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing this cloud cut crease makeup look and it is inspired by these nails. My friend Erin does custom press-on nails and she did this set for me. They are so gorgeous. We collaborated on the design. I got inspired by these nails she did for me and I created this eye makeup look and I absolutely love it. So if you guys want to shop the nails, it's glitzynailstudio.com and I also have a discount code. I'll have it in the down bar for you guys as well as on the screen. These are so perfect if you're quarantining, so if you want to get some custom nails, I will have her website linked down below with a discount code for you guys. But without further ado, let's get into this cloud makeup tutorial. So I already went ahead and did my primer, foundation, concealer, and brows. I'm going to show you guys what I used to do that. So for primer, I used the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. For foundation, I used the L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. For concealer, I used the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. And for my setting powder, I used the Morphe Bake and Set Translucent. And for brows, I used the e.l.f. Wow Brow in the color Deep Brown. Now I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Forever Sun-Kissed Bronzer to contour my face. So I really want to carve out my cheekbones. My wig is going to get messed up for a second. Don't mind that. And I'm just kind of bringing it upward. For my nose contour, I'm using this little e.l.f. contour brush. And I'm just going to create a button nose effect. So I'm going to go under the tip, above the tip of the nose. And then I'm going to go down the bridge. And now that that is kind of mapped out, I'm going to go in and just blend that out. Okay, now that the nose contour is ready to go, I'm going to go in with blush. And for blush, I'm going to be using the Milani blush in Dolce Pink. I'm going to smile. I'm going to put this on my cheeks directly. And I'm also going to add some blush to my nose. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild highlight powder in Precious Petals. This just gives a really pretty pink little glow. A little bit on the nose. Now it's time for eyes. We're going to be using the Jawbreaker Jeffree Star palette today to create this cloud eye look. To start off, we're going to be using the shade Bubblegum, which is this gorgeous bubblegum pink. We're just going to take a little bit of that on the brush because it does go a long way. I already primed my lids, so we're just going to go in and we're going to put that in the outer crease and bring it down in a patting motion. Not all the way, but just slightly on the outer corner of the eye so everything blends well. Next, I will be going in with the color Brainfreeze, which is this beautiful sky blue. So I'm just popping this color on the inner crease of my eye and kind of blending these two together. And next we're going to go in with Good Morning, which is this super light pink. We're just going to take a little bit of that on the brush and we're going to blend out this outer portion of the pink on my eye. Now I'm going to take the NYX eyeshadow base in the color white and start creating the outline for the clouds on my eyes. So to create the cut crease cloud, I'm just taking an angled brush and drawing little clouds. So that is the outline. I know it looks messy right now, but we're gonna fix that up. I'm gonna go do the other outline real quick and then I'll be right back. Okay, so the outline is done and now we're gonna just fill in the lid with the same brush and the same product. Now I'm actually going to go in with this NYX white eyeliner, and this is their retractable eyeliner, and I'm just going to kind of shape the clouds a little bit. The reason I recommend using the eyeshadow base first is because it creates a smoother application. Now I'm going to go in with Virgin, which is this perfect white eyeshadow, and I'm just going to pack that onto my lid to set the white eyeshadow base. Now that the clouds are done, I'm going to go in with the same bubblegum pink and Brainfreeze, and I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line. Okay, now I brought you guys in even closer, and I am going to draw on the little stars. To do that, I'm going to be using the same NYX eyeshadow base. I'm going to put that on my angled brush. So guys, this is how the stars came out. I ended up getting rid of the one on the inner portion of the eye because I felt like it raised the eye too much, and I just kind of like it as if it's creating a cat eye effect. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner, and I'm just going to create a line across the lash line. I'm not going to do a winged look because I don't want to take away from the clouds. For my lower lash line, I'm going to be using the NYX Retractable Eyeliner in white. For lashes, I'm not certain what style these are, but I can totally find them online and link them. I bought them at Target, so I'll have them down below if you guys are interested. For lash glue, I'll be using the Duo Brush On Adhesive Lash Glue with Vitamins, and the reason I use this one is because it's latex free and it lasts all day with water, everything. I love this stuff, it's amazing, and as you can see, the container has gotten a little ooey gooey. For mascara, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Paris Telescopic Mascara in Blackest Black. Now I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Color Riche Beyond Pink Lip Liner. I'm just going to outline my lips with this liner and shade in my lips just a little bit with this. And for the final touch, I'm going to add some e.l.f. lip lacquer, and this is just like a clear gloss. So guys, this is the final look inspired by these nails. Make sure you go check out my friend's shop down below, and I can't wait to see you all next time. Love you. Bye.